In these vehicles, the heaters were built in the cover, not attached to the foam. So what we're gonna have to do is okay guys, now we're gonna remove the covers for the front
2004 Lexus LX 470.
yes, the reverse. So the first thing guys is to take the armrest, that's a 14 right here, and it has a little ring in the back. Be careful with the ring, don't lose it. The second thing guys is the cover. You just push it and it will release. We made these two clips right here, so no big deal. Have your covers. Now I'm gonna start by cutting this section right here guys out. The airbags in here. And we're gonna also cut in here. Be careful with the wires, there is sometimes too. It rings out. Now guys, you're gonna have the challenge of the heaters. In these vehicles, the heaters were built in the cover, not attached to the foam. So what we're gonna have to do is remove it from the cover and glue them back into the foam. We're gonna disconnect the heater. From here. That should release our cover on the cushion. And from here, guys, it's just removing all the hack rings. Like I told you, the cover is in the heater is in the cover. Be mindful about the position. Look at, this is the thread, it's not the wire side. That's the one that it goes against the phone. That should do it. And I use Super 77 for this process. There you have it, guys. Cushion is no different. When you put it back on, the only thing is you have to take the moldings off so you can trim it. Put it back on, put it back into your car. End of the story, guys. That's the completion of the trimming. Because we are demystifying the installation process, guys. It's not that difficult. Have questions, please put it in the comments. Thank you, guys. Like and subscribe if you find the content useful. Please like it.